now. Number 5 is Flashforge 3D printer. In today's world of endless possibilities, finding the best 3D printer under $500 can be a thrilling adventure. And guess what? Flashforge 3D printer, our number 5 pick, brings the perfect blend of affordability and impressive features to make your creative juices flow. Picture this, a large size and direct drive extruder that amplifies your printing dreams by offering a whopping 270% increase in build volume compared to its predecessor, the Finder 2. With this beast by your side, you'll conquer the world of 3D printing, one perfect first layer at a time. Let's talk about the glass platform and PEI magnetic build plate. They team up to ensure your prints stick like magic while enabling rapid heat bed heating for swift printing adventures when it's time to reveal your masterpiece. Removing it is a breeze, thanks to the durable yet flexible build plates. So if you are interested in this 3D printer, then check out the link provided in the description to purchase it right now. That's all from us in today's video. We hope you enjoyed this overview of the best 3D printer under $500. If you want to purchase any of these best 3D printers, then check out the link provided in the description box to get them right now. And if you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our Sublimation Focus channel for more awesome upcoming videos linked to printers.